Baby, I'm not getting you. Where is he, Connor?
I don't know.
Who do you have with you? Rudolph? You don't see Nani. You think he's hiding? Go get him. Go get him. Get him with the pillow. Get him. Get him. Get him, Connor. What are you doing? Are you hiding?
Yeah.
I wouldn't hide under the couch. You're going to get stuck. You better get him. Better get him. Take both the pillows and get him. Get him. Get him. Remember, say no, no, Nani.